Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We have a Cobra 29 Chrome. This is for Thairen in Pennsylvania. Thairen asked for to have Mosfet modification done. I'm going to use this D104 microphone, and there's a receive modification there. So let's get right to it. Alright, 10 watts across the top scale. And just a hair over 6. On this one we got a 50 watt slug, so we'll be right in that middle scale. Let me show you. Right there is 40. Check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. All right, there you have it. Nice little pop up there. That's the Mosfet mod, remember. That's it. Let's put her on the air. Check. How about a channel 19? Can I get a radio check break? I appreciate it, driver. You have a fine day.
You too.